By default, the TI-84 Evo doesn't properly handle imaginary numbers, so typing the square root of -1 gives an error. We can fix this by switching to a+bi mode. Press the mode key. Now arrow down to the row that reads real, a+bi. Then arrow right and press enter. The status bar at the top switches from real to a+bi. Press clear to go back to the home screen. Try the square root of -1 again. This time the calculator returns I. Complex arithmetic works too. You can type I by pressing second, then the decimal key. For example, let's square I by pressing the x squared key. The calculator returns -1, confirming that I squared equals -1. That's it. More TI-84 Evo tutorials at calcplex.com.